Hey y'all. So I'm taking a social media marketing class, and I have to do part of my class on Excel. And I got in there and I couldn't figure out how to stack my cells. So they had set up the worksheet for us, and I was typing into the cell and it just kept going long, like so, which I did not want. I wanted all of my words to stack so that they were all in columns like it was meant to be. And I had this feeling that my professor thought that I had probably already taken an Excel class in high school and knew how to do this, but I didn't. So I thought, hey, this is super easy. Once I finally figured out how to do it, I made a few FaceTime calls to some smart people in my family and got it figured out. So what you do is you will go on to the cell and you right click, and then you go down to format cell, and then you're going to go to, it's got number and alignment up at the top, and you're going to go to alignment and then go down to wrap text and okay, and voila, your text is stacked and not looking all weird like the rest of this. So we'll hurry and do another one. Okay, right click, format, and alignment, and wrap text. And there you go, folks. That is how you stack your cells.